Sì?
Hey. Still have work to do.
Where are they going?
There's a festa in San Celeste. Happens every year. The main event's a cavalcata, big horse race. Each town sends riders. It can get pretty heated. Have you ever been to anything like that?
Never been to San Celeste. I know about the race, though. I heard that the riders always win.
The Spadaro team? Phew. Fitusi. If we make all our deliveries, you will see how much bullshit that is. All right, we're all set. You ready to learn a little about the business? Give me a moment and we'll get on the road. Hey, some of Don Galante's associates will be by later with a delivery. Don't fall asleep in the sun, eh?
As if I would.
Andiamo, let's get going.
What?
I said, let's get going. Old man on the cart's got a head like a sponge these days. He doesn't hear so well anymore. Loyal, though. Was here long before me. 80 years old and still delivering Torrisi wine across the valley.
The Don looks after him, then?
Don Torrisi takes care of everyone around here, Enzo. You watch and learn today.
How long have you worked for Don Torrisi?
20 years, or thereabouts. I lose track.
What brought you here?
Well, my father farmed cattle up in the hills. Bandits. They came one night. Shot him dead. The Don, he helped me after that.
I'm sorry.
You decided to stick around then. I wasn't sure you'd last.
What do you mean?
I figured you for heading to America. To make your fortune, like so many others.
Everything I want is here.
Oh. And what is it you want?
To live how I choose.
You're a hard worker. A dependable pair of hands. That'll see you go far. Weather's perfect. Should be a good race.
They call it sulfur riders. I used to see them train. Always wondered why. They'll be harder to beat.
Yeah, we've got Arnaldo. He's won before, and he can win again.
Is that good?
The boy has God-given talent. It would take the devil's work to stop him from winning today. First time in San Celeste, then?
On Sundays, they take us boys by cart to Mass in Colle Zolfo. That's the furthest I got from the mine.
Well, you'll get to see the town today. Don Torrisi has dealings with many of the people there.
Like delivering wine?
Sure. Wine, amongst other things.
Such as?
Be careful with these questions. The Don is in the business of favors. He helps those who have nobody to turn to, who have something worth protecting. These people then respond with their gratitude and respect. His name carries weight around here.
Seems like everyone is going to watch the race.
It's a big deal for people of the valley. The Palio is a day of rest, of celebration.
Not for us.
For us, business comes first. Always.
I didn't mean to.
Relax. I know. I'm just telling you that this is what separates us from the workers in the fields. Before we get into town, we have a delivery to make. The building ahead. Pull up! Over there!
What?
Stop here!
Yes, I'm not dead.
Maldito.
Who's the delivery for?
Pasquale, friend of the family. Helps fix up machines, engines, whatever we send his way. And, well, he can get his hands on things you can't find elsewhere. Enzo, grab that crate on top, would you? You head on to San Celeste, and let's pray to God he makes it there in one piece. Enzo, follow me. Here's our man.
Mozzo!
Hey, Pasquale.
Luca!
Busy as always, I see, eh? Enzo, over on the table. How's your mother?
Same as ever. She never gives me a minute. But I sense this isn't a social call. So?
50 brass watches from our friends in Acireale. They're yours, if Enzo here can take enough to buy a decent blade.
I can do that. Is he the kid who marked Bastoni's face?
That's him.
Does he know his fact?
He knows Il Merlo better than most, I think. Enzo, take a look inside the crate. Go ahead, Enzo.
Head downstairs. My mama will fix you up. Just watch what you say around her.
So, I take it you won't be joining us at the Palio, eh?
Apologies to the Don. Cesare and the boys, they came round last night with a bottle of American whiskey. My day. Still a little sick.
Buongiorno, signora. I'm looking for a knife.
Table. Over there.
I'll take this one. Grazie, signora.
Don't cut yourself on the sharp end.
What's this?
What does it look like? Cleared it out from a widower's villa. Amazing what those with more money than sense have in their homes.
Feel the weight. Get used to it. Knowing that blade could save your life.
I've won a knife fight before.
You survived a knife fight. You want to get through another? You do well to learn the old ways.
But you told me to keep out of trouble.
You don't look for it. But, trouble has a way of finding people like us. When that happens, you stand your ground. Never shrink back. Whatever they start, you finish. They come for you, for the people you care about. You put them down. Capisti? Now, let me show you a thing or two.
With that?
Come on. First, let me see your swing. Try to land a hit on me. You think anybody will take it easy on you out there, huh? Don't take it too hard. I've had a lot of practice. You have some fight in you, Enzo, eh? Use your brain alongside it, and you'll go further than most. Minchia. We're late, come on. Amoni, the race is starting soon. We better go. Pasquale, Enzo is with us now. Help him out if he comes around.
My door is always open.
Pasquale will trade you for anything. Just watch out for his bullshit. We'll have to be quick if we want to watch the race. Andiamo! Yeah! Yeah! Vai! Watch out, eh? Once a year! Ha! Più veloce, più veloce! Right where? I thought I was fast, but you can really handle a horse.
Oh, you know what they say. Riding is a young man's game.
Older men are too busy for games. Looks like we made it in time. Hey, remember, Spadaro and his men will be around. Watch your mouth and don't draw attention to yourself. We can leave our horses here.
Come stai?
Bene, bene. Is Don Torrisi here?
He's in his tent. Word of warning, though. It sounds like he's in a foul mood.
Enzo, let's go. We should make ourselves known to the Don. Feel free to take a look around. I'll meet you at Don Torrisi's tent. At the end.
Bet with my associate. Forte on Don Fante. Franco, you know what to do? Who's next?
Out.
boy. These souls suffering.
Dio, non di nuovo.
Where have you been?
On deliveries. What's the problem?
It's Arnaldo. He's in no state of ride. He's in no state to stand up. Cesare, the imbecile, took our rider as his new drinking partner. I found him still in your house an hour ago.
What can we do? I will not forfeit this race.
I can ride on Torrisi.
Luca, why is this farmhand here?
Can he ride?
Outrun the Spadaros, didn't he?
All right.
Enzo.
Enzo. There'll be a lot of people watching. You ride for San Celeste, but represent our business and my reputation. Can you do that? See. We have a rider. Get him ready.
You want to twist the knife on the Spadaros? Now's your chance.
Riders, take your position. 2 laps around San Celeste. Ai posti. Pronti. Via! Look at him go!
The Don asked, can he ride? Eh? Should see the smile on his face now. Bravo, wait.
Out of the way!
Better luck next year, boys.
Pedal occhio, Forza San Celeste! For 50 years, I've attended this race. First as a boy, then as a rider, and now as a proud patron. And as you all know, nothing makes me happier than a victory for my hometown.
Hey!
Traditions like ours. Our keep San Celeste strong. Hey. Now, let's all celebrate together. And please, a hand for a winning rider. Forza San Celeste! Enjoy.
Quite a race. With all the excitement, I almost forgot why you're here. Arrivederci. Don's compliments.
Piazza Garibaldi 44. Should be around somewhere. Oh. What are you doing down here?
I need a day walk. It's already getting out of hand back there.
Va bene. Andiamo.
So, where's our first stop?
It's number 8, signorina. Just up ahead.
You can call me Isabella, Enzo.
Sì, signorina. I mean, Isabella.
You've caused quite a stir. I ran away to a champion ride, just like that.
Your father showed me a kindness. I help where I can.
Well, you certainly showed that today. My father can't stand to lose face. I just hope he appreciates what you did for him.
Someone's having a party. Why not?
Here we are, number 8.
Could you...
What would you do without me?
You don't need to stay, you know? This kind of work, it's beneath you.
Oh, it is. I'll decide how I spend my time. Besides, you might not be such bad company.
Yes, can I help you? Signorina Torrisi. What a pleasant surprise. Is your father here?
Unfortunately, it's just me. He's celebrating his win at the Palio.
I see. Well, please, pass on my apologies for missing our appointment last week. I meant no disrespect. I was called away on urgent business.
I'm sure my father understands.
Please, take a bottle.
I thank you both. And the Don, of course.
Done. Bene. On to the next one.
Who was he?
I have no idea.
He seemed to know you.
They know me because they want to know my father. Everybody in San Celeste wants to be Don Torrisi's friend. I have 1,000 uncles.
That must be strange. To be part of something like that. I've never had a family.
Nor have I. Not for a long time, anyway. Where's your next stop?
It says, Via Nino Agavi.
But that's on the other side of town. Tino really has it in for you.
I get the feeling he can't wait for me to leave.
That's just Tino. Don't take it personally. But are you going to leave, I mean?
I don't plan to. Not while there's a bed for me. Work to do.
Then I pray Luca keeps you busy.
I hope so. I can be happy here, I think.
I think you could be right. It's just down here. One moment. I need to do something quickly.
What's that?
I used to come here with my mother.
She's not around anymore.
No, she isn't.
I'm sorry.
This fountain, it's said to be blessed. You pray here, and life will bring you fortune. So, did you want to say a prayer?
You should say one for me.
Why, of course. Ave Maria. Look down upon us today with the warmth of your heart. As you have cared for Mama up above, show us too below the kindness of your spirit and guide us toward happiness. Amen.
Do you ever get what you ask for?
Every now and again. Right, let's go. It's a long way to Nino Agavi.
Lead the way.
This square, up ahead. is my favorite place in San Celeste. It has beautiful views of the mountain and the valley. It's quiet, too. You can be alone here, even though you're surrounded by houses and people.
Minchia. Spadaros.
Hey, Caruso. Or is the delivery boy now, huh? You're really coming up in the world. Even got yourself a little putana.
Testa di minchia!
Il Merlo misses you. I think I'll give him a little piece.
Enzo!
Get back!
Shit, leave! This isn't over, Caruso!
Figli puttana, get the fuck out of here!
Enzo was standing up for me.
Yes? Good. Things can get out of hand on race day. Get back. Isabella. Not a word of this to your father. They touch her.
Of course not.
You're brave, Enzo. What you did was right. But being seen alone with Isabella is stupid. Anyone else other than me comes around that corner, the Spadaros wouldn't be your only problem.
Luca, we will
You
just...
listen to me. Carefully. The Don is very protective of his daughter. People see things, normal things. They make up stories in their heads. Don't let that happen. This stays between me and you. O capisti?
Sì.
All right. Let's go.